We got the chicken coop done, so I'm going to give you a little tour. The coop itself is standalone. It's not tied into the run at all. It's really close to the fence here, which in hindsight was very difficult trying to get wire in here so no predators could come in. Down here, I also have wire set back so we can keep the feed under here, and we could do containers with pine straw or anything like that, and it'll keep it dry. This is the feeder. This is 4-inch PVC. Just a coffee container. You can pour it in here. It holds about 125 ounces of feed, and we're currently timing that to see how long it'll last. But it just feeds down, gravity. And then up here, the nesting box. It opens this way as opposed to the top because it can stress out the chickens if they're laying eggs in there. And got a little string to hold it so we can set baskets here to pull eggs out. Closes, latches. This right here is a window. So during the summer, when it gets kind of hot, we can open this up. Little window here. We have chicken wire here, some under here as well for ventilation. We have a heater in there right now, so that's what that is. The door here, we got a little lock for it. Take that off. Open it up. We got the bull skull for no other reason than I had a bull skull sitting around. And the door, this is really cool. It's weighted, so it'll close itself. Let me show you how that's done. Come in here. So this is 10 pounds right here. And it's just on a cable. It's just gravity as it just pulls the door shut. And then if it latches and you're in here, got a little pull string here. Opens right back up. Come in here. And also, if we needed to open this door, to leave it open, we can do that. You know, open wide. So if you need to bring stuff in or out. Then right here, this whole side opens up. We don't have any hay in here yet, but that way we can clean the whole thing out if need be. And on the front here, we have a little ramp. This is another window. So during the summer, that can open up and get cross ventilation. And as you can see, we have a little rainwater collection. A little gutter goes into the barrel. This is the only part I don't have finished yet. I need to get some the little water nipples that go on here, and this will attach like that with the feeders right here. This is an overflow drain just to direct the water to overflow out here as opposed to falling down and sitting under the coop. And this was the feeder right here was just a 45 that I cut, put a little piece of wood there. Seems to be working pretty well. Then this fencing here is this plastic netting. I would not recommend it if you're out in the country. Like it rips pretty easy, but it works pretty good for where we're at. We've had chickens for about 4 years now and haven't had any problems with predators or anything like that. So the dogs run into it once, so we had to fix it, but we have some plants here. We're gonna put some more to divert them. But I believe that's, well, no, let's see. We got the landscape timbers down here. The posts are concreted in, landscape timbers tied in. Then we got bricks around the bottom on the fence. And this ramp comes off as well, just for easier access, moving around, working. We planted this elderberry tree here like a year or two ago, not thinking we were going to put the coop here, so hindsight, it's a really bad place for it, but we're going to leave it there anyway. And that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, put them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks.